Imagine you and your cat drifting in the middle of the Pacific Ocean on a tiny lifeboat. Most people think the biggest threat is sharks circling below you, but you see the real danger is actually dehydration and exposure under the brutal sun. This means your body starts losing water fast while your cat overheats beside you. So instead, you use fabric and rope to build shade and collect rainwater before panic wastes energy. And over a few weeks, your cat stays calmer than you because cats conserve energy naturally. Finally, you spot a cargo ship near a busy Pacific shipping route and signal with reflected sunlight.